Are we walking? Where are we going? Oh, are we? Are we going to the park? Say park. Hi everyone, it's Chantel from the Mommy Bookworm, and I am just getting ready to pack up some clothes and things for our trip tomorrow. We are going to be taking Adelie to Wichita in order to get her ABR done, which is an extensive hearing test to see if she actually has hearing loss and if we are going to need to do anything about that. Since she will be having her procedure on Valentine's Day and will be waiting in the office for about an hour and a half before her procedure actually starts, I decided to take some Valentine's Day books, as well as some hearing books and things that relate to, of course, the hearing test. Bella will be with us most of the time, so we're going to have to find things to entertain her, which I was planning on packing some Valentine's Day activities to go along with our homeschooling. I just thought that would be really fun, and since we're going to be there for a while waiting for Adelie's tests to be done, then I figured we should probably do something to entertain Bella. We are just getting ready to go to a friend's house out in the country actually, and we are going to have a little play date, so I thought I would just film a little here and there and show you guys what a day in our life looks like.
Me too.
What are you doing? Show me what you're doing.
Who?
You.
Making Valentine.
And who's your Valentine?
Miss Marcy.
Oh. So I'm just getting ready to pack up some books for the trip tomorrow, and I'm going to be packing The Biggest Valentine Ever, The Berenstain Bears Love Their Neighbors, Polar Bear, What Do You Hear? Some little mini Valentine's books for Adelie, The Ear Book, and Bear Hugs. I chose these books because they're either Valentine's related or they are hearing related. These are great books to read for Valentine's Day, as well as books to read on a daily basis that are fun and interesting for the kids. One of my favorites is Polar Bear, What Do You Hear? And we actually read this quite a bit. This is one of those books that I definitely suggest if you are teaching your kid to read, because it is repetitive and that helps them recognize the different words that they're seeing all the time. Here are a few items you can use for your Valentine's Day theme for your homeschool preschool. I will be using assorted pipe cleaners, a heart hole punch, heart-shaped marshmallows, foam sheets in pink and purple, and some cupcake toppers. These can be used for either topping cupcakes, or I will be using them as counting pieces. There are several other items that you may use. These are just the main items that I will be talking about and what I will be packing for our trip this coming Tuesday and Wednesday. Let's get into some of the preschool activities that I have packed for Bella. This first one was fairly simple. All I did was cut out different colored hearts and created a caterpillar using the letters of her name. So she has already mastered her first name, so I decided to use both her first and last name. You can choose to use their first and last name or just their first, whatever you feel fit for your child. For the next activity, I cut out different colored hearts from the foam sheets that I talked about earlier, and then I cut holes in the middle of them with a hole punch, put them in a baggie with the pipe cleaners, and this allows for the kids to string the hearts on the pipe cleaners. This is a great fine motor activity for preschoolers. The last activity I have prepared is great for number recognition. All you'll need is some heart-shaped cookie cutters, heart-shaped marshmallows, and a die. Okay, Bella, can you tell me what we're doing?
Making hearts on the egg.
So we are going to roll this dice, and whatever number it lands on, you're going to put that many marshmallows into each of these hearts. Welcome on this journey. It's going to be great. We're getting ready to go to Wichita, and it is 4:15 in the morning, so I'm going to be showing you guys what we are doing today and the trip there and maybe some exciting things along the way. Good morning, Bella. How are you? me went off and forgot shoes for the trip for these 2 days. So here we are at Walmart, and I have to go in and get some new shoes for the kids, and hopefully it doesn't take too terribly long, but I guess this is my lesson learned and I will forever remember shoes. Day 22. My mom is still driving. I'm so scared. Can someone please help me? If anybody's out there. Bless you. So it's appointment day, and we are in the waiting room waiting for the anesthesiologist to come in. Good job.
Bye.
They're going to have to put her under to properly get the right results with the hearing test. So this is going to be a little hard for me, but I think we'll be okay.
I didn't get this out here.
You don't,
Why?
because it stays in there. Yay! Adelie passed her hearing test, so we came to the park to celebrate, of course. What are you doing?
Hey.
Where are you going? What are we doing?
Playing Candyland.
Playing Candyland. Oh, it's my turn.
Hey, this is my pants.
2 red. Okay. 1, 2. Your turn. Hi everyone. We are going to the park because it is absolutely beautiful outside today. We are walking.
Mommy,
Say hi.
is it far away?
Nope. That's why we're walking.
Is it 2 miles down from 100 blocks?
Not quite. It's like 2 blocks away.
2 blocks away?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I can't remember. I can't run because my legs so short and I can't stop. Okay. First thing.
Keep pull. Keep going. Pull. You're almost there. Keep going. Go. Keep going. Oh, so close. Try again.
Please can I have a phone call? Please can I have a phone call or your message in here?
1, 2, 3. So it's been an extremely busy week, but it's been also a very productive week and a very blessed week because Adelie passed her hearing test, and I'm so happy to finally get an answer to that. We have been waiting basically since she was born to know whether she had any hearing loss. And so it's just, I feel so blessed that we actually have an answer now. So I'll be vlogging some more next week, and I will see you next Monday.